Today we are going to reinstall the Stage 4 Exedy clutch, which is a twin metallic disc clutch. So it comes with a lightweight flywheel that is already put on the engine here. Then you have a first metallic clutch disc that will come here. Then there is a separation plate that come in between. And then you have a second metallic disc like this that comes here, and finally another plate here, and then the pressure plate with the ring here. So the whole assembly is balanced. So you see there's a blue mark here on the outside, and everything else also has a blue mark. Like here you can see the blue mark. Everything is balanced on those marks. So you have, when you put everything back in, you have to make sure everything is properly balanced. And here is the blue mark also here. So you will of course need the centering tool and put everything. So I start with taking the first and the second disc with the middle plate. I insert the centering tool inside, and the two discs have to be aligned. It doesn't really matter from the documentation, but I've seen some videos where they say it's better to have them aligned. If you look, I don't know if you can see, but here is a blue mark on the flywheel. So the blue that I have here will come with the blue that is here. So this guy has to come here. There we go. Then you can put next one, same thing, find the blue mark, go around. The blue mark is here, so that means it's coming. Blue mark, yeah, the blue mark is here. That means this guy is coming here, like this. Then this one doesn't have a specific position. It will just come at the top like this. And then this guy comes like this. And this guy must have a blue mark too, somewhere on the edge. Yep, the blue mark is here. You can see it here. And so that blue mark is gonna come over here. And now you can take your bolts and you can tighten the whole assembly. So the torque for the flywheel bolt are 55 foot-pound, and those ones are going to be 23. So of course we do that in a crisscross pattern progressively until everything is aligned, and then you can go and tighten the rest.